In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design slides faster with your theme builder right here in Google Slides. So if you want to create your own layout or you want to design your own slides, instead of just designing it on a regular slide, you can do it much faster with your theme builder. So this slide right here in particular, I created this with the theme builder. So let me show you how I did it. Open your theme builder right here in View, select Theme Builder. There you have it. Once you click on it, it will show you your theme builder. Another way to open that would be to go to your slide and select Edit Theme. And it will open the same thing. So here's the slide that I have just created. So I created this slide or this layout by right-clicking on the side right here on the left side. Then select New Layout. Once you do that, you have this layout where you can create your design. So this is a custom layout. This is a blank one, your custom layout, and the title page that I created on my own. So if you want to create your own, you can just delete everything that's inside, start from scratch. Then you can start with your background. The one that I did right here, I selected a background from Stock and Web on the sidebar. There we go. But just put in background right here, press enter, then select the type of background that you want to use for your slide. Now I can go to stock images right here, select the one that I want to use, maybe this one right here. There you go, close that off. And to use this as a background, what I'm going to do is just right click, then select set images background right here. Once I click on it, it automatically becomes the background of my slide. Next one would be our text placeholder. Now your text placeholders are found here in your toolbar, so it's quite different when you're in the edit theme or in the theme builder. You don't have the regular tools that you have when you're just in the edit slide part. So we have here next to our select tool is our insert text placeholder, our insert image placeholder, our shapes, our lines, our comments, our backgrounds, and our theme colors. So to insert our text placeholder, just go to this one right here, select your title or subtitle or body text placeholder. Depending on what you're trying to create, you can select these ones right here. So I'll choose title placeholder, create that text box, and there you have it. With this one, we can also format how our text would look like already. So if you want to change the font style, you can do so. Make it into this one, make it bigger as well, maybe 60. There we have it. Put it in bold and change the text color in contrast to the colors of your background. There you have it. So other than our title placeholder, we can also put in a text box. Now whatever you put in your text box will be a permanent text within your layout. So for this example, I put this one right here. This is a text box. If we go to our example, we have this one. You can't select it, you can't delete it, but for this ones right here, yes, you can delete them. So if we go back to our theme builder right here, there we go. Insert our text box. There we have it. Let's just put in the same thing, hosted by. Again, you can format it any way you want. Totally up to you. There you have it. And another text box for the name. We can do subtitle placeholder right here. Again, format it in the same way. If you want to copy the format of this one, you can just select that, go to your paint format, like so. There you have it. So we now have the same format for all of our text right here, just varying in text size. Next one, if you want to add an image, a sticker, or any type of graphic, like for this one right here, we added a sticker over plant. So if we go to, again, our stock and web on the right side, put in plant. There we go. We can go to stickers, make sure it doesn't have a background. Select the same image, and there you have it. Close that off. Now I'm just going to reposition it on this side. There you have it. For this one, again, this will be permanent on this layout. Like our text box right here, it cannot be selected or deleted on our layout. Next one would be our image placeholder right here. If you want to insert an image placeholder, Let's say you want to insert the image of the host or the speaker for the presentation. You can do so by going to Insert Image Placeholder right here. You can insert an image or an image placeholder. So I'm going to do an image placeholder on a shape of an oval. There you go. Create that shape. Here we have it. I'm just going to resize it and reposition it right here. You can also format this to make it pop out some more by adding some borders. Go to border weight, put in 3. Now you'll see it. You can assign a different color for that. And there you have it. Lastly, if you want to add some shapes like what we did on this one again, I just added some rectangles, rotated them to the left, and added them as a background to my slide. So if you do want to add some shapes, just go to shape right here, select shape, select the shape that you want to add, maybe a circle or an oval. There you go. You can format that in any way. There you have it. I'm going to add a few more of this. So I'm just going to copy, then resize. There you go. And there you have it. So again, another permanent thing that we can add on our layout. So the last part of designing your slides would be to rename that layout. So if you want to rename it, you can just click on this top right here. There you go. We can call this layout title. Click on OK, and there you have it. You've successfully renamed that layout or that design. Close that off. And if you want to use it on a slide, let's add one blank slide right here. If we go to layout, you'll see we have the layout that we just created just now. If we select that, here are the elements. So we have our title placeholder, our subtitle placeholder, our image placeholder, which are easily deleted. Before this text and this shape and image, they are not deleted. So let's go ahead and put in same thing and add an image. And here we have it. We've successfully designed a slide faster with our theme builder here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.